for the people, who are you
people.
and what do you do?
I'm Benito, and I work on World Class in Tanqueray.
How did you end up here? How did you end up in the hospitality industry?
I ended up in hospitality because I was a public school teacher in New York, and I was working 80-hour work weeks every single day, hauling all my supplies to 3 different boroughs, and even after all that, I couldn't pay rent. So I started working bars on the weekend to survive in New York City.
Tremendous. That's the first time we've had that today. Where is the best hospitality that you've ever experienced?
Probably in somebody's home. I think there's nothing like somebody giving you that one-on-one attention and somebody who knows you. Like, that's the difference between hospitality is feeling like you're known.
What does hospitality mean to you at your core?
To me, hospitality is all about making somebody feel like they are the version of themselves that they want to be. I think it's about seeing somebody for the best version of themselves and giving them that space and giving them that encouragement to be that person and to show up as that person. And I can't underestimate the importance of lateral hospitality, right? It's not from the inside to the outside, right? Hospitality is also about just between us, right? Like, you're giving me hospitality now, and I super appreciate it.
That's nice. That's really nice. Thanks, G.